What if a simple table, a cat, and a turtle could hide a surprisingly elegant mathematical puzzle? Most people guess the wrong answer at first glance. Can you figure out the height of the table before we reveal the solution? Stay until the end to find out. Welcome back to the Mathematecher channel, where maths makes sense. In today's video, we explore a fascinating mathematical puzzle involving a table, a cat, and a turtle. In the first diagram, we have a cat sitting on top of the table, while a turtle is standing on the floor beneath it. We are told that the distance between the top of the turtle and the top of the cat is equal to 200 centimeters. In the second diagram, we have the same table, but this time the turtle is standing on the table while the cat is on the floor. In this second configuration, the distance between the top of the turtle and the top of the cat is equal to 150 centimeters. The objective is to determine the height of the table. Before continuing, pause the video for a moment and try to solve the puzzle by yourself. Now, let us see the solution together. We begin by denoting the height of the cat by the unknown value x. Next, we denote the height of the turtle by the unknown value y. Finally, we denote the height of the table by the unknown t, which is the quantity we are trying to determine. According to the first diagram, the height of the table minus the height of the turtle plus the height of the cat is equal to 200 centimeters. Thus, we obtain the equation t minus y plus x is equal to 200 centimeters. Furthermore, according to the second diagram, the height of the table minus the height of the cat plus the height of the turtle is equal to 150 centimeters. Thus, we obtain the second equation, t minus x plus y is equal to 150 centimeters. Now, let us add these two equations together. So we obtain 2 multiplied by t is equal to 200 plus 150 centimeters, which is equal to 350 centimeters. Therefore, the height of the table denoted by t is equal to 350 centimeters divided by 2. Thus, the height of the table is equal to 175 centimeters. And this answers our question. By carefully translating the information from the two diagrams into algebraic equations, we were able to determine that the height of the table is equal to 175 centimeters. This puzzle is a perfect example of how simple reasoning in algebra can transform an apparently tricky situation into a very elegant solution. If you like this mathematical puzzle and want to see more logic challenges, geometry problems, and elegant mathematical demonstrations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications so you never miss another puzzle. Also, write your answer in the comments and tell us how long it took you to solve it. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ. Using the link in the description, vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.